euro against the US dollar. This week has lost its value. We can see the week started with this bearish candle, and it has started with a gap here, which has been closed immediately the same day. After that, the price has reached a 1.107 support level, and it has bounced from this area of support, and the price was trying to move higher. And we can see the price formed a bullish breakout, targeting the next resistance. This was successful, we can see that, but then the price retraced back down because of a strong selling pressure here, and we can see the price for 2 days and also on a Friday could not manage to move up or down, trying to move up first on a Thursday, but then on a Friday it moved down, but it has stayed around this area of support. Weekly time frame shows me that the market has created a bearish candle with large wick on the lower side and also the wick on the upper side, but the price has moved slightly down, so it is a continuation of the bearish momentum. A monthly time frame shows me that we currently are in the bearish month. We have several weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. We need to wait what will happen to see how the price will behave around this area of support, and we can see on the weekly that the price is trying to move down, and the price has reached this area of support, but we can see on the daily the price has stopped right here at 1.107. It is important support level, and the price has bounced strongly, going all the way back up, which means this is the demand zone where the buyers are waiting. So what we can expect from the next week? From the next week, we can see that the price is trying to move further down, and I'm more likely to see the price going further down because we can see the monthly time frame is currently bearish. There is still room for the price to move down around this area here, but also the weekly time frame shows me that there is room for the price to move to 1.1. The daily time frame shows me currently we are at a support level, and 1.1, and that means around this area here is around the target where the price is trying to move down on the weekly and the monthly time frame. Will the price manage to do that? Well, we will see. 4-hour time frame shows me that the price has formed a bearish breakout outside of this small range area where the price has been stopped on the, we can see that here on the daily time frame, you can see that here, but the 4-hour time frame has already made this bearish breakout. We can see that the price has gone below this area of support, and it has been confirmed with the next candle of the 4-hour time frame, which means the price did not return back above this area of resistance. So currently the 4-hour time frame shows me that the price will try to move further down. On the daily time frame, it is on the support level that needs to be broken on the also, and the weekly it is bearish. So much more signals I'm seeing here that are showing that we are going to move bearish to the south than it is bullish. So feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in description. Inside you will receive information when the breakout happens. For example, this also bearish breakout has been formed, and I have informed the traders inside the premium analysis that the price is targeting this one here, 1.11, and the price has reached that target. So also you receive during the week each day if there is any bearish or bullish breakout on the 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, so you can also trade this one. You can see this one is here. Also, this was a bullish breakout where the trade was targeting the take profit level here, and we can see the price return slightly to the support level and then reach the target. So feel free to check that and also join to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.